Let's discuss survival gadgets that are actually worth it. All gadgets, links in comments and description. Let's start the video. 7L collapsible tub in the Samart lineup is the perfect product if you are in need of tub that occupies minimal space. This product is an ideal dish tub that can be used to wash dishes, ice beverages, or even a camping cleanup work with a spacious 7-liter container and is also BPA free. It can be quickly opened when in use and folded down to 40 mm, which is about 170% thinner when not in use. Its design includes a tub that is constructed from thermoplastic elastomers and polypropylene to give it the necessary strength and a non-slip surface on the bottom of the tub to make sure that it is not going to move during use. It also includes a hanging hole to help make the storage process an easier one. Pros: small and lightweight, suitable for various applications. The bottom has a non-slip surface for better stability. Cons: dissipates body heat poorly, lacks a lid, has a capacity of only 7 liters. Next, the Whalen Bushcraft Settler's Tool. Survival Hand Auger Wrench is an effective and versatile tool that is equally functional and durable at the same time. Made from fine quality alloy steel, this valuable instrument is handy for constructing makeshift huts or fashioning other survival needs from improved materials in the untamed woodland. There is a 1-inch wood auger drill bit that helps you make holes in woods with precision and the peg maker that enables you to create a peg that meets your project's needs. Whether you are going camping, hiking, or participating in bushcraft, the tool is small enough to fit in a rucksack and even includes a leather scabbard. Pros: arguably one of the most important tools for survival, very strong and easy to sharpen, and comes with a leather sheath. Cons: demands the use of physical strength, not advised for those who are new to using hand tools. Next, the Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet is a stylish accessory that features 4 versatile tools for outdoor enthusiasts to take along on their next adventure. This 2-pack consists of bracelets with 12 feet of military-type paracord, a fire starter, an emergency whistle, a compass, thus making it ideal for hikers, campers, hunters, and scouts. This bracelet is very versatile for all your camping needs, from erecting your tent to starting a fire to finding your way through the dark. The size is easily adjustable to accommodate any size from 8 to 10. 5, making it suitable for both adults and children. Pros: small and versatile with a stainless steel buckle, construction that incorporates military-grade paracord, and versatile design can accommodate different wrist sizes. Cons: the compass may be relatively small for accurate bearing taking, while the fire starter may not be very efficient at first. Next, the RoverTac Camping Hatchet Multitool is an amazing 14-in-1 survival tool, ideal for outdoor recreational activities lovers, and would make a great gift idea for the next camping, hiking, or fishing trip. This survival knife is a sturdy utensil that contains an axe blade, a large saw, a hammer, and many more tools such as a fire ignition rod, metal compass, small rescue knife, flathead screwdrivers, spark striker, and bottle cap opener. Made of stainless steel and coated with an anti-rust black oxide finish, this versatile tool is useful cutting firewood and has a ferrocerium rod for fire starting in emergencies, coming to approximately 7 inches in size. It surpasses similar tools in terms of length and strength, enabling more leverage and force. Pros: suitable for variety uses, sturdy construction, longer than knife blade used commonly. Cons: it is relatively larger and heavier than other multi-tools of the market. It may not suit all users. Next, the UCO Stormproof Match Kit should always be part of your survival or outdoor equipment because being able to ignite a fire during the worst weather is crucial. In this kit, you get 25 windproof and waterproof matches that can burn at a time for 15 seconds approximately and can be relit if they are wet. They are contained in a tough, built-in, watertight ABS plastic shell floating case that shields its contents, and the long match length will not burn your fingertips. By having 3 strikers included and a case that can accommodate up to 40 matches, this kit is optimized for usage when camping, hiking, or engaging in any other outdoor activity. Pros: windproof and waterproof, strong and portable floating case, can be relit after being soaked in water. Cons: few matches shown. Match striking may take some practice to become effective. Next, W4W Multipurpose Survival Pocket pocket tool, the stylish and convenient piece of tech every adventurer will need in their pocket. It does contain 43 features within its frame made out of stainless steel: wrenches, screwdrivers, bottle caps opener, a can opener, peeler, and cell phone holder. This tiny tool barely weighs 1 ounce and can be slipped into any wallet, so it does not require much space and will come in handy camping or hiking, or when you have Wraith EDC. This tool is made of 420 stainless steel that has been heat treated, making it practically bulletproof. Nevertheless, it has been given a brushed surface to make it charming and easy on the hands. Pros: cohesive and portable, has a variety of features recognized by TSA, extremely sturdy, and constructed of stainless steel. Cons: they might not be as ergonomic if they are compact, and the small stature might be unsuitable for certain tasks that require more weight. Next, Camp & Door 36-inch heavy-duty pocket chainsaw is another essential tool that no outdoor lover should be without. This chainsaw is operated manually, and the chassis is made of 65 men carbon steel blade with 48 Auger claw teeth for cutting woods. It is a highly efficient tool in every aspect, twice as fast compared to others, clog-proof when cutting brush and thick limbs. The manganese infused offers shock-absorbent characteristics so that using the writing instrument for many hours does not cause any discomfort to hands. Pros: built-in 65-mine carbon steel blade with high tensile strength capable of withstanding up to 4,000 N-force. Transverse with 48 tag claw and clog-clearing bulldozer teeth. Cons: this could pose a problem due to the manual nature of the process, which may take a lot of effort, especially for some people. Used for cutting only wood and some other soft materials, not suitable for usage on metals and other harder materials. Next, Motor Buddy 2-pack car safety hammer seatbelt cutter is the life-saving tool you want nearby. Equipped with a 2-in-1, to be precise, one end is a super thin stainless steel seatbelt cutter that can easily cut through the seatbelt in a matter of seconds. The end is a hardened carbon steel window breaker, which is specifically designed to break the glass at one swipe. Pros: applications: turn into a blade to cut seatbelts and use its back end to smash windows. Constructed from highly resistant carbon steel and engineering plastics non-slip handle with ergonomically correct grip for comfortable operation. This shade ensures the color stands out for better visibility throughout the year, especially during winter. Available as a 2-pack, making it easy to use. Cons: if not mounted, a compact size may lead to misplaced easily. Some people may not like the bright red color of the accessory. Next, RONXS. Electric candle lighter is one of a kind. This black anodized aluminum lighter is not only fashionable, but equipped with useful functions that are very useful for activities both indoors and outdoors. As you might expect from a device that is rechargeable, you never have to use disposable lighters, and there is even an LED battery display for added convenience. The neck is flexible and can rotate in different directions in a circular motion, and this makes it easy to light objects, including candles, a grill, or even fireworks. Also, it is wind and splash proof and provides a steady electric pulse. Therefore, it is suitable if you are going camping or have a BBQ party. The security aspect is fairly good with enhancements of an auto shutoff chip that shuts down the lighter after 7 seconds and a safety lock on the outside part of the switch to avoid instance fires. On the flip side, getting accustomed to the electric pulse, especially if one has always used flame lighters, might be a pro before con, and the lighter also needs charging to function optimally. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.